Hey, what's up guys? Cliff Trogrid Pro. If you have a 2024 plus Tacoma, and you're wondering how to access the back of the head unit, maybe you need to install accessories, whether they're audio accessories or other accessories, I'm going to show you how to disassemble your 2024 plus Tacoma head unit to be able to access the back of the head unit. This is going to apply whether you have the 8-inch screen or the 14-inch screen, so let's get started. All right guys, we're in the vehicle. Let's go ahead and get started with disassembly. So for starters, we need to grab our panel tool. All right, so what we have to do is we have to remove this top trim piece here, and we'll just use that, do that with a panel tool here. So just start going around. There we go. There we go. All right. Okay, so next we need to remove, there's 4 10mm bolts, 2 on each side. There's 1, 2 here, and then 1, 2 on the other side. So let's get those removed. All right. So next we're going to take the head unit out. I just recommend that you put a microfiber towel down here on the shift knob just to protect the screen. And at this point, whether you have the 8-inch or the 14-inch, it's going to do the same thing, which is just pull straight out, just like that. Comes straight out, and we can rest it there on the microfiber, which is on the shift knob. So for you 2024 plus Tacoma owners, it's that simple to remove your factory head unit. Now you have access to all the connectors on the back of the head unit, so any aftermarket accessories, whether they're audio or something else that you want to install, you have access to the back of your head unit. Hope you found this helpful. As always guys, have a blast out there.